Hi friends, this video shows how to enable or disable dynamic lock screen wallpaper. Let me lock this phone, then unlock. See, now this dynamic lock screen wallpaper is not working because that option has been disabled. I will show you how we can enable it. Let me unlock this phone, then tap and hold on home screen. Tap and hold, then go to wallpaper and style. Tap here, then tap on change wallpapers. Go down, tap on wallpaper services. Here you can see two wallpaper services, dynamic lock screen and glance on Samsung. Let me select this dynamic lock screen. Then tap on the settings icon. Here you can see dynamic lock screen wallpaper categories. Up to 5 categories we can select. Let me select this landscape. Done. Then go back. So now I have enabled dynamic lock screen wallpaper and selected one category. Let me test. Let me lock the screen, unlock. See, now it's automatically changing lock screen wallpaper. So this way we can enable. So next I will show you how we can disable. Again, tap and hold on the home screen, go to wallpaper and style, go to change wallpapers, go down, tap on wallpaper services, and here we have to select none, then tap on apply. So this way we can turn off this dynamic lock screen wallpaper. Let me test. Lock the phone, unlock. See, it's not changing the lock screen wallpaper. So please try this. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe this channel. Please like and share the video.